If you have no idea where to start with coding in Unreal Engine 5, you've come to the right place. With this easy tutorial on how to install the tools you need, we'll be starting this amazing journey of game development. First, let's download and install Unreal Engine. We can download Unreal Engine from unrealengine.com/download. On a download page, we have two options. We can download the Epic Games Launcher, or if it's already installed, we may select Open Launcher. In our case, let's choose Download Launcher. Once it is downloaded, run the installer and select Install. Directly after the installation, the Epic Games Launcher will perform some updates. After that, we'll be asked to log in. We can choose among different options, or we can simply click on Sign in later on the bottom of the list. I will log in with my Epic Games account. The Epic Games Launcher is more than just about Unreal Engine. It's Epic's platform around all of their products. In order to switch to the right section, we click on Unreal Engine. Once the Unreal Engine news page loaded, we select Library from the top menu. Here we can see three different sections. On the bottom we can see the so-called Vault, which is a collection of all plugins and content packs we have purchased from the Unreal Engine marketplace. In the middle, our projects will show up once we have them created. On the top we can see all installed versions of Unreal Engine. With a click on the little plus icon, we can add additional versions of the engine. To install the selected version, click on Install. This will bring up a dialog to customize our installation. Let's click on Options. Here we can see additional options. We want to install the core components as well as some useful content. It's very important to select the engine source and the editor symbols for debugging, which improves our experience later when debugging our projects. Under target platforms, we might deselect every other target platform such as Android to save some space. Hit Apply and click on Install. On the left side under Downloads, we can follow the progress. This will take some time. Once Unreal Engine is downloaded, we can focus on the next step. Download and install Visual Studio. We can download Visual Studio in its Community Edition under visualstudio.microsoft.com/community. Visual Studio Community is free to use for individual developers, no matter if you're creating free or paid applications. After download, start the Visual Studio installer. If it asks to perform some updates, confirm with Continue. Afterwards, it provides us multiple options. The most important options are game development with C++ and .NET desktop development. The second option is important to run the Unreal Engine build tool, otherwise we will end up with an error message while compiling any Unreal Code project. Okay, with these two options selected, let's install and wait some time. After installation, Visual Studio will automatically start and again we'll be asked to log in. You might select Skip for now. In my case, I will use my Microsoft account. And that's it. We have installed Unreal Engine and Visual Studio and are now ready to go for our development using C++. If you learned something or want to see more tutorials about game development, please like, subscribe, share and ring the bell to get some notifications. Any bit helps. Thanks for watching.